Looking to elevate your grilling game? Say hello to Pellet Grills, the ultimate tool for barbecue enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of pellet grills to uncover the best picks for your backyard cookouts. Whether you're a seasoned pitmaster or just getting started, pellet grills offer unmatched convenience and flavor. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check the link in the description below. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews. So, let's fire it up. Number 1. Pit Boss Deluxe Wood Pellet Grill. For those just getting into smoking, the Pit Boss BP 440D2 is a compact and budget-friendly model that's ideal for beginners. This grill outperforms many larger, more expensive models, heating up quickly and delivering well-defined smoky flavors when cooking steak, chicken wings, and more. The grill is on the smaller side at less than 100 pounds, and it has a modest cooking space of 465 square inches, big enough to accommodate several pounds of chicken wings, but potentially not enough space for those who like to entertain large crowds. This Pit Boss grill punched well above its weight, particularly on the searing and smoking tests. It was able to reach its maximum temperature in around 15 minutes, and food cooked on the grill had an intense smoky flavor. The grill did experience some temperature fluctuations during the 10-hour smoking session, but overall, it performed impressively considering its budget-friendly price. However, the biggest downside of this grill has to be its small hopper. The hopper can only hold 5 pounds of wood pellets at a time, and in our testing, it needed to be refilled every 2 hours or so. This is definitely something to keep in mind if you're planning long smoking sessions, as the grill will need regular maintenance. Number 2. Traeger Tailgater Pellet Grill. You can smoke meat on the go with the Traeger Tailgater 20, the best portable pellet grill we tested. It weighs just over 60 pounds, making it easy to move around, and according to our team, the collapsible, fold-up legs make moving from ground level to a truck bed fast and easy. This grill offers 300 square inches of cooking space, which we found was enough to cook for 4 people at a time, and its 8-pound pellet hopper does a good job regulating the grill's fuel, allowing you to cook for longer before needing to refill the pellets. This grill performed well in our tests, reaching its target temperature quickly and maintaining a fairly consistent temperature throughout cooking. However, because its maximum temperature is only 450 degrees Fahrenheit, it doesn't deliver the best sear marks when grilling. We also found that food cooked on this grill didn't have the strongest smoky flavor, but overall, the design is convenient and efficient for grilling on the go. Number 3. Weber Smokefire EX4 Pellet Grill. If you regularly cook for a crowd, the Weber Smokefire EX4 has a spacious interior with 672 square inches of cooking space across 2 racks. In addition to its large grilling area, the Weber also has a uniquely designed pellet hopper that spans the back of the grill and can hold up to 22 pounds of fuel at a time, allowing you to go longer between refills. It even offers Wi-Fi connectivity, which means you can monitor and adjust the grill's temperature right from your phone, ideal for when you're entertaining. As you might expect from this well-known brand, the Weber Smokefire EX4 delivered top-tier results in our tests. The grill produced a very smoky flavored pork, but that was right on par with the Yoder and Traeger Timberline models. The pork has a lovely aroma and a long finish without being overpowering. The only area where it fell flat was searing. The char marks were surprisingly faint and the meat had a pan-seared look, despite the grill's superior heat regulation and the fact that the grill goes up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 4. Camp Chef SG24. While this grill certainly required some assembly, it reached its maximum temperature of 500 degrees Fahrenheit quickly and retained that heat throughout our grilling session. The direct flame exposure really aided our grill test, beautifully searing the steaks and evenly cooking the pizza and wings. The spacious 811 square inch surface provides a ton of cooking space and is great for larger groups. The hopper can also hold 22 pounds of pellets. We didn't have to refill it throughout our 3 tests. In terms of features, this pellet grill offers Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity so you can control your grill's temperature from wherever you are. Overall, the performance was stellar. The only hiccup was during our baking test. The pizza crust cooked faster than the toppings, so it became a bit charred. Once you're finished grilling, the grates are easy to scrape clean. The newest version of this grill, the Camp Chef Woodwind Pro 24, is double the price, but it has a smoke box on the front of the grill that ensures a delicious smoked flavor and a special ventilation designed to deliver even heating for your cookouts. Number 5. Traeger Wood Pellet Grill and Smoker. If you're new to the art of the grill, We suggest starting with the Traeger Pro 780 pellet grill while you learn the ropes. It's a highly user-friendly model with lots of bells and whistles that make grilling a breeze. Between the Wi-Fi connectivity and user-friendly control panel, it's simple to control the temperature, whether you're standing at the grill or checking your phone while entertaining guests. We appreciated the large cooking space of 780 square inches, perfect for a large family gathering, and the top warming rack that will keep everything nice and warm while you're working the grill. It took about 20 minutes to reach the maximum temperature of 500 degrees Fahrenheit, and there was one small hot spot over the burner, but in general, it seared, baked, and grilled the food we tested without issue. It created a perfectly baked pizza and juicy steaks, and the only major concern was the loss of heat when we added the food. It lost about 90 degrees and had a hard time returning to the original set temperature. During the smoke test, there wasn't any visible smoke, but the smoky flavor produced was surprisingly present in the food. And when you're finished grilling, the individual components can be removed from the grill for easy cleaning, though the heat shield is tricky to remove when greasy. However, we think this is a fantastic grill and a great price point for beginner grilling enthusiasts. And there you have it. Our top 5 best pellet grills are the ultimate tool for unlocking flavor-packed barbecue goodness right in your backyard. Make sure to check the links in the description below for the latest prices and availability. Don't miss out on the BBQ revolution. Subscribe to our channel for more tips, tricks, and reviews to become the ultimate grill master.